I think most people are overpaying for AI tools that don't actually do much. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing the top 5 all-in-one AI video generators. So stay tuned for the rest of the video so you can see the best one. Because out of this top 5, there is definitely one AI video generator that stands out. Hey guys, my name is Dion and I'm going to be running you through this video. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like the video, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Let's begin. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are on the first official website of one of the competitors for this video. So how the comparison is going to work is we are going to be doing stuff, rating our experience, the cost, value for money, the power of each of the platforms, and then we are going to be ranking them according to class A, B, C, and then we also have the S tier. So as you can see right here, the first AI video generator is FreePic. We then have Invideo, which is personally my favorite, so I'm not going to make any spoilers for this video. We also have Artlist, as you can see right there. We have OpenArt, and then we have the AI video generator that is Higgsfield.ai. So without further ado, I'm going to be starting off with FreePic. I'm going to tell you about the power, all of the different AI tools that they have available, the cost of the AI tools as well, and then my personal experience from using them and if they are actually worth it. And then, like I said in this video, I'm going to be talking a lot more about my favorite and the clear winner for this video. So without getting any spoilers out there, let's go. Okay guys, so first of all is FreePic. So this is the first one. As you can see, they have a clean website. So if I scroll down here, you can see some of the stuff that they do have, like generate an AI image, how you can find high quality images, edit an image. And if I scroll down even more, you can see that they have image editing, the generation, video editing, and audio generation as well. So when it comes to the resources, you can see right here all of the resources that they have and stock. So as you can see right there, all images, they provide you with certain things like images, videos, audios, and even designs. And then as you can see right here, this is most of the AI things that they have available. They do have Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, VO 3.1, as well as the Kling 2.5. So I'm just going to be classifying all of the prices according to what it will cost for 8 seconds of video generation. So for example, here on FreePic, it would cost you $1.33 for an 8-second video generation with Sora 2. But with the Sora 2 Pro version, it will cost you $6.67 for 8 seconds of video generation, which is pretty high. And if we have a look at the Kling 2.5 Turbo, it will be the 0.54 cents, which is not too bad, but the Sora 2 Pro is actually very expensive. And FreePic, they are good, but they are not that good because their pricing is quite high and they don't offer a lot of AI tools. They're not very powerful. They don't have a wide variety of AI tools. So I would give them a D. So I know we said we only rank from A, B, C, and then S tier, but I would say that FreePic classifies as a D. But now let's move on to the next one, and that is Invideo. Okay guys, so next up we have my personal favorite, and that is Invideo. So I'm going to be telling you a bit more about Invideo and why they are personally my favorite. So they have over 70 plus AI tools available. So they also have Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Kling 2.5 Turbo, as well as VO 3.1, VO 3.1 Pro, and so much more. As I mentioned, 70 plus AI tools, and they are all integrated into Invideo. And another great thing is that the AI video generation is 100% free for an entire year. So you can use the AI video generation completely free for 1 year. So that is another thing that adds to them and shows you that they are a really good platform and they are there to make it easy for users to use, even if you have a smaller budget. Another great thing that they do have is they allow you to collaborate with multiple team members. So you don't have to have one guy that uses it. You can have all of your different team members that can collaborate and use Invideo for the same purpose, and that is to make your business strive. So this is great whether you're a small content creator or a business owner that wants to work with multiple people. This is perfect for you. As you can see right here, they have the media library where you can get a bunch of stuff, and they are always up to date with the latest trending and viral audio. So why would you not use it? As you can see, I'm logged in and it has a clean dashboard. It's easy to use. So if you're a beginner and you're just getting into the AI video generation thing, then this is perfect for you because they have an easy to use, as you can see right here on the dashboard. You have the AI photo to avatar, text to clip, text to image, photo to clip, and you can do a lot of things with Invideo. And you can do it very easily without having to have a lot of experience. Okay, guys, so to compare the pricing for you, they also have, like I said, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, and the Kling 2.5 Turbo. So for the Sora 2, it will be 80 cents per 8 seconds of video generation, which is definitely the cheapest on the market by far, compared to the first AI video tool we compared in the video, which was $1.33. That was free pick. That was very expensive. And Invideo comes in at 40 cents. So for Sora 2 Pro, it will only be $4 compared to $6.67 of free pick. So it's already $2.67 cheaper. And the Kling 2.5 Turbo comes in at 40 cents, which is actually crazy how cheap Invideo actually is. So this is perfect for your beginners, your business owners, creators, everyone really. This is just the best platform out of all of the 5, but I'm still going to be comparing the rest. So I would definitely rate Invideo as an S class. So that means that it's top tier and it is definitely the best. But without further ado, let's move on to the next. Okay, guys, so next up we have OpenArt. So as you can see right from the get-go, you can see that it's a bit more complicated than Invideo. The dashboard is still clean, but it's really hard to get around this if you are a beginner. So if you are a beginner, I would not recommend OpenArt, but if you are someone that is familiar with AI video generators, OpenArt might be for you. So as you can see, this is just how it presents itself. I can go home and you can see all of the features that they have. So they have the story feature, all of the video stuff like image to video, text to video, element to video, video to video, lip sync, and motion sync, which is pretty cool. You can also create an image, chat, and edit. And then they also have options to create a character. So they also have the Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, and then the Kling Turbo 2.5. So I'm just going to be comparing the prices a little bit. They have a few AI tools that you can use, but definitely not as much as Invideo, and certainly not as much as free pick as well. So it comes in at $1.33 for Sora 2. That is for 8 seconds. So it's exactly the same as free pick, but it's definitely not as good as 80 cents like Invideo. Okay, guys, and then for the Sora 2 Pro, it comes in at $4.55, which is good. It's better than free pick. It's not as good as Invideo, so it's right there up in the middle. And then you also have the Kling Turbo 2.5, and it comes in at 45 cents, which is a bit higher than Invideo and definitely lower than free pick. So I would say this one is around in the middle. So if I had to rank OpenArt, I would say that it is a solid B. So without further ado, let's move on to the last 2. So next up, we have Artlist. And as you can see, they have a bunch of features. So like the AI video, they have the VO 3.1, Sora 2, Kling 2.6 Pro, the Kling 2.5 Turbo Pro, and they have AI image generators like Nano Banana, Artlist Original, Kling of Image, and they have AI voiceover, stock catalog, music, studio, and much more. So this is definitely a bit of a more advanced platform. So quickly going over their dashboard as well, they are a bit more complicated to use. So definitely this is not for beginners. So if you are an intermediate, this is probably perfect for you. But if we had to compare the prices as well from the Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, and then the Kling 2.5 Turbo. So first of all, Yet again, this is for 8 seconds only, and they will charge you $1.33 for 8 seconds of Sora 2. For Sora 2 Pro, they will charge you $6.33, which is actually quite high. And then when we get to Kling 2.5 Turbo, they will charge you a whopping $1.25, which is really, really high. So this will be perfect if you are an intermediate and you have a bit of a higher budget. But I would definitely say that they have a lot of features, but they are a bit on the expensive side, and they were also a bit hard to use. So I would definitely rate Artlist a solid C. Okay, guys, so without further ado, let's move on to the last AI video generator. Okay, guys, and last but not least, we have Higgsfield.ai. So they are pretty good. They have a lot of image generators, as you can see right here, video generators as well. As you can see, all of the different ones right there, the Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Kling Turbo 2.5, VEO 3.1, and much more. And they are also pretty competitive when it comes to the prices. They are not as good as Invideo, but they are definitely up there, beating Artlist and OpenArt. So I'm going to be comparing the prices quickly for the 8 seconds. So for Sora 2, you will be paying 83 cents for video generation of 8 seconds, which is pretty good. It's double the price of Invideo, but it's definitely cheaper than OpenArt and Artlist. So if you move on to Sora 2 Pro, it will cost you $4.15, which is actually pretty good. It's just 15 cents more than Invideo. And then when we get to the Kling 2.5 Turbo, that will be 50 cents for 8 seconds, which is also 10 cents more than Invideo. So they are pretty similar in prices, but Invideo still beats it by a long shot, because this is pretty good if you are a beginner as well. It's pretty beginner friendly, but the prices are not as competitive as Invideo. So if you're a beginner, I would definitely reconsider this and go to Invideo instead. Okay, guys, so that will be the last one, and I will rank it a solid A for Higgsfield.ai. So now that you guys know all about the top 5 video AI generators, and you know that Invideo is definitely the best, and you can go down by the ranking as I rank them from A all the way to D and then S class. And the only one that got an S class is Invideo. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That will be a wrap. So if you have any questions about any of the AI video generators, let us know in the comments down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.